Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, you will learn about the Flipbox block and create beautiful product info cards in Gutenberg. Let's go. Now, click inside the blank container, type Flipbox inside the search field, and click on the Flipbox block to insert it. What you are seeing now is the default Flipbox. It has content on the front and content on the back. The box flips as soon as you hover over it. From the options, you can select which elements to show on the sides. There are buttons for both the front and back of the box. For the back, though, there are additional button and button icon options available. The box icon is hidden for the back, and you can also turn it on if you want. The next section lets you customize the Flipbox content. Here, you can choose between front and back. For the icon above the title, you can choose either an image or a custom icon as you wish. For both cases, you will be able to edit the title text for the front side. Then switch to the back menu. Here, you can edit the description text, customize the button text, and add a custom URL for the button. Moving to the next section named General Settings, here, you can edit the flip transition effect. You can choose from several flip effects here. So go ahead and try these effects one by one before settling for one. Then you can also edit the easing transition setting for this. There's a duration option available that lets you make the transition faster or slower. And finally, you can choose the flip transition to trigger on hover or trigger on click. With this, the basic customizations are done. Now, let's move to the Style tab for appearance customizations. The first section is Item. Here on top, you can change the height of the Flipbox with a scroll bar, and similarly, you can customize the padding and border radius. With the latter, you can curve the edges of the box. After that, there's a front and back selection. Right below, a bunch of options are available for customization. First, you can add a custom border around the box. After that, you can change the content alignment. Also, the vertical alignment is customizable here. The same options are available for the back of the Flipbox, so go ahead and customize them too. At the bottom, you will find the background option to customize the background color of the box. Then next is the icon/image section. Here, you can customize the size of the icon with a scroll bar. Then you can add borders, change the border radius values, and padding as well. You can also change the icon and icon background color here. Next is the title section. Here, the first option is typography. This option lets you customize the font style with a bunch of options including font family, weight, style, decoration, transform, spacing, etc. There are also color and margin options available. Next is the description section, and it lets you edit typography and color for both front and back descriptions. The last section is for the button. The options start with typography, which you already have grasped how to customize. Right below, you can edit the text color and hover color. There are also border and padding options available. At the bottom, you can edit the background color of the button. Although the option lets you switch between front and back, there's no button on the front, so no options are available for that. Now that you have a design ready, you can go ahead and duplicate the Flipbox and arrange in pairs. Then, all you need to do is change the colors, both for the item and button backgrounds. And your Flipbox is ready to showcase content. For your convenience, here are some ready patterns with Flipbox to show you what else you could do with this awesome block feature. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.